Hello, friends, and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now, before we start this review, let's talk about what do I have to offer. Because these products for which I'm doing the review, these products will come and go and will do nothing to you. So you'll probably not make money with any of that thing which you buy in $17, $20. Okay. So I'll do the review in a moment. Just give me a couple of minutes. So when you come down below my YouTube video, you have these links. Okay, so I'm going to share my personal things which makes me money, the real money I'm talking about, not the shiny objects which you keep buying every day in $17 $20. Okay, so below the video I have some links, useful links for you if you want to make real money. Okay, if you want to make that money in dreams, that I will buy some machine in $20 and I will start making money while I sleep, then you can leave this video and you can keep dreaming. Okay, you don't have to be awake for dreaming, you can go back to sleep. But if you want to make real money online, because I have been making these videos for a number of years now, okay, you can go on my channel and you can see how many videos I have made. For example, if I come back and show you, this is not the first time I'm doing this. This is my channel, and come back here in my playlist. Okay, and you will see I have done these reviews in the past. So this one showing 1611 videos. Okay, so I did these reviews 4 years ago, then I left it, and then I changed my field to forex trading. As you can see here, these forex trading videos, so I have done it, and that's why I'm talking about what I am telling you right now. So come back here, and the first link is swing like a pro. So what does it mean? It's for people who wants to make money in trading. Okay, so when you click on the first link below, you will come to this page right here, and then you can see these short videos. Each video is like 2-3 minutes long. You click on them, you play, and you see how you can make money in swing trading or forex trading. Okay, there are plenty of videos and many more will be updated. This is the proof to show you my knowledge and how this works. Okay, so if you are interested in learning trading or making money with forex trading, even if you're a newbie, you have no idea what's going on here, if you plan to join this program, I'll give you full training, how to set up the account, how to take trades, stuff like that, even if you're a newbie. Okay, this program is mainly for people who are already into trading. They want my setups, my trades, buy and sell, and book profits. But if you don't know anything about trading, you can still get this, and I will walk you through in the videos how to exactly join which broker, how to take trades, so you will know once you go through the trading. Okay, so this is method number one, which I personally also do, and you can see here these are my charts. Okay, so it's not something I'm just telling you randomly, blah blah blah. I am doing this personally as well. Okay, so the first link is trading. If you have the money to invest and you can take some risk means that be ready to lose money. That's part of the game. That doesn't mean I'm saying you will lose all the time, but that's part of the part of the gig. You have to be ready mentally. Okay, so if you want to make money in trading, you can try this program. Second link is make money on YouTube like me, so you can come and make YouTube videos. Okay, and especially this traffic Jarvis program will help you to make money using this YouTube monetization. Okay, so for example, if your channel gets monetized by YouTube, if you have like 500 to 1000 subscribers and 3-4 thousand watch hours, which is not easy to get in the last 1 year, then you can get your channel monetized. Okay, so this traffic Jarvis, you can see here, you can make money using videos. Okay, so if you make money, people watch the ads on your videos, you can make money, and you can sell in your, you can sell something in your YouTube videos. As you can see, you can get sales. Okay, you can get sales here, you can get sales there. You can see everything, all the proofs are right there. So I have made this kind of money using YouTube only. If you want to make money using free YouTube traffic, and you wanna know how to start on YouTube totally for free, then go and get this program. I'm sharing these methods to you because I have implemented them, used them in my entire personal online life. Okay, so you can go for swing trading if you have the money. If you can go for YouTube, learn YouTube yourself, get it monetized within a month, and in the program you will learn everything how to do this. And the third link is about email marketing, get 100 email leads per day. So if you click here, you will come to this page. You can watch this video before joining, and this will give you 100 email leads per day, and also the system within the within this program. So you will have the autoresponder, and you will get 100 leads every day, and you can send emails to them once per day. and you can sell them anything you want. Okay, so you can sell any offer of your choice to these 100 leads, or you can sell this system itself to these 100 leads. Okay, so you have everything covered, and if I show you if that works or not, so you can see this is the system. 100 leads per day, I have been making money with this. Just check this out. Okay, check this out, check this out, check this out. It does work. Okay, whatever I'm showing you, I personally have made money with it. It's not some gimmick. And also, this will not make you rich. This 100 leads program will not make you rich, but if you want extra 200 $300 per month, it's a good thing. Okay, because if you see, my last sale came on 22nd of May 2026, and it's reoccurring. Okay, it's, you see here, last month, this month, before that, so it's reoccurring commissions, profits. Once you make a sale, you get commissions every month, and I have been getting this from number of years. Okay, so this is what I wanted to, this is what I wanted to share with you before I do the review. So if you like till now what you see, then subscribe, like, and share the video. Make sure you check out these programs, because these programs which I'm talking about are made by me only. Okay, so the top two programs are mine, the third one is not mine. So if you want to do trading and work with me, go and click the first link and watch these videos to understand what is going on here, what is my knowledge, if you should work with me or not. Go check this out. And then second link is about to make money on YouTube. If you want to get your YouTube channel monetized, get 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours within a month, go and get this traffic Jarvis and make money with the YouTube free traffic. Okay, and if you want to get 100 leads per day and make commissions like I have shown you right here, then go and click the third link and come and go and join this program and make recurring commissions. All right, that's it. So go and join this program. And now let's talk about this product for which I'm going to do the review. And one more thing, guys, if you want something for free, then you can get this free bonus lifetime email responders. So you can click on this link and you can join my email list. Make sure whether you buy anything or not doesn't really matter. You go and join my email list, click on this link and enter, click on continue after that, and then enter your email and the name, and then you will be getting a free lifetime email autoresponder as well, okay, as a bonus. So go and check out these things and also join my free email list, the last link here. And then let's talk about and do the review now. All right, guys, let's do the review here. So KidzStudio AI, we are on the sales page right now, and it's a very nice looking sales page saying one simple kids idea goes in, something that keeps making money comes out. World's first AI app that turns simple idea or voice coloring books, kids puzzle books, kids ebooks, kids audiobooks, storytelling videos, etc. And there is the demo video. So I have seen it and we're gonna show you the demo video in a moment. Okay, let me show you the dashboard and the features actually. So if you look at the left side, you have all these things which you can generate using this software. You can generate kids coloring book, puzzle book, video book, audio book, ebook, and then training videos. So we'll come and watch the demo video. And if you want to get to the sales page, you will find the link below my YouTube video. It will be saying grab a KidzStudio copy here. Click on that link, come to this page, and then we have a nice sales page, as I said earlier already. Okay, so it's very lengthy, so I'm not going to spend much time on the sales page. You can take your own time and you can see what you can do with this. All right, so let's come back and you keep scrolling the sales page until you find the demo video. It's a 4 minutes long demo video which you have to see before you buy, and the demo video is available on the sales page itself. You have to just keep scrolling it down. Okay, so I'm gonna show you that demo video, but I really like the sales page. You can see nice colors, red, green, blue, yellow. They have used all the colors. And here's your demo video. Okay, so when you come 60% in the sales page, you can play the video, watch it first, how the software works, and then you can go and buy the copy. And let me give you a discount as well. Okay, so just hang on. Let's get done with the sales page first, and then I'll give you the discount coupon so that you can save some money. So are we nearly done with the sales page? Yes, we are done. So the questions are, do I need any experience? No. Is there a monthly fees? Depends. If you act now, then there's none. How long does it take to get results? Don't worry about it. It depends from people to people. Do I need to purchase anything else for it to work? No. What if I failed? Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Anyway, so I guess it's not that costly to start with. it's going to cost you maybe $14-15, but you can get a discount of $5 right here. Okay, so use these two coupon codes: $5 discount for sure using Kids Max, and 30% discount coupon Kids S30. Okay, try to use these both coupons and see whichever works and gives you more discount, or you save more money in that. Okay, so let's get back here. So we are done with the demo video, and sorry, we're not done with the demo, we are done with the sales page, and then let's talk about the OTOs, then we will see the demo video. Okay, so the front end is showing $17, and if you use that $5 discount coupon which I gave you, so that you can get this in $12 only. And then OTO 1 is 47, and OTO 2 is 47, OTO 3 is 37, and OTO 4 is 97. Then again OTO 5 is 37, OTO 6 is 37. Okay, what are these? You will get to know when you get to their relevant sales pages. Okay, so on the sales pages they will explain everything, all the features, what are you going to get in these OTOs, right? Coming back here now, let's play the demo video for you, and I'll show you glimpses. And this is like coloring book, how you can generate those black and white pages, and then your kids can color, and not exactly your kids, but if you're gonna sell this, then kids can color those coloring books which are actually blank right now. Okay, I don't know why people call them coloring books. When you actually print them black and white, they become coloring books after the kids color them. You see right now what I'm saying? Right now they're black and white. Anyways, that was funny. Yeah, okay, I like this, I like the output here, so I like the books. And then you have the second one, which is kids puzzle book. Okay, let's keep forwarding it. So where are the puzzles? Right here. So these are colored puzzles, you saw there, right? There you go. So you can go and watch the demo video in your free time on the sales page, the first link below. And then you can generate some videos for kids, story videos. Okay, like, there was a village, there was a palace, there was this, there was that. Just basic videos. Okay, don't expect this to be advanced video or advanced ebook or advanced audio voiceover. No, but as the name says, it's for kids only, so this will do the job. Okay, so here you come and select the theme. You choose your images 1 2 3 4 5, and the video will show the images, and there will be the story playing in the back end. Okay, so right now on the video you only see this wallpaper, but in the back end they're telling you the story, which I can't let you listen. You have to do that in your own time when you go and watch the demo video on the sales page. Okay, and the last feature is what? Last feature is, I guess, voice over here. Audiobook creator. So first, let's create the audiobook and then the voiceover. Okay, so you go and play this. This is the audiobook exactly. So it says kids audiobook listing. So right now you can't listen because I have muted this video. When you will watch the demo video, you will listen to this. This is the audiobook for kids. Okay, and what else? Do we have anything else? Lastly, we have ebooks. Okay, so let's see how you can create an ebook using AI. These are those ebooks. Let's go and open one of these. You can download them, and that's it. It has some pictures as well. So overall, in $12, $15, what else do you expect? Okay, obviously there will be upgrades, and you can have these training videos. So these are the training videos which you can see, and you will know how to use this software. Okay, so I was saying, in $15, what else do you expect? You got too many features already. Obviously, there will be some upgrades. That is entirely up to you if you want those upgrades, OTOs or not. But overall, I do not have any complaints with this. You can go and grab KidzStudio AI using my link below. You will find the first link below my video saying grab the copy. So go and grab it. And if you want to make money in the ways I told you in the beginning, like this trading or YouTube or email marketing, then check out the links below my video. We have explained that in the beginning of this video already. Okay, because remember, everybody is making YouTube videos. Okay, why are you not doing that? YouTube is free traffic source. When you watch my video or when you watch somebody else's video and you buy from them or you buy from me, they make money. What does it mean? Means YouTube makes money. Okay, so you should consider yourself making YouTube videos. Even if you don't want to come on the camera, you can do you can work like me in the back end, use your voice only. So if you want all the info, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, which you will find below somewhere, and make your choice. You want to do email marketing or trading or YouTube or this Kids Studio AI. You have all the links below. and just go and buy everything. And till then, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.